With more and more aircraft in our skies, rising operational costs, and increased scrutiny of defense sustainment programs, the need to optimize operations and maintenance is critical. System failures aren't just dangerous, they're costly. The solution is simulation. Deployed beyond design, across the entire product lifecycle, digital twins are making engineering simulation more pervasive, with some analysts predicting up to a 30% improvement in cycle times for critical processes, including maintenance. To make sustainment and operations more affordable, with the integration of IoT platforms, collecting and managing data from thousands of sensors, ANSYS digital twin solutions are enabling a new level of predictive maintenance. Understanding the precise behavior of your assets in any situation and scenario, across both time and physical conditions, the ANSYS vision of pervasive engineering simulation is the only way forward. When you need to realize affordability, safety, and performance, when failure is not an option, you need to rely on ANSYS, celebrating 50 years of engineering performance.